Good morning, friends. Today topic is that multi-channel data acquisition system. Okay, so in the basic thing is that in a multi-channel data acquisition system, there are one, two, three. There are four connections. Okay, there are four number of connections are available. Okay, so this is the connected to. This is the suppose this is the one sensor, second sensor, third sensor, fourth sensor, or quantity. Okay, so this quantity are connected to various uh, SPU. Okay, that is signal processing signal processing unit. Okay, so SPU1 signal processing unit 1, SPU2 means signal processing unit 2, SPU3 means signal processing unit 3, and SPUN means signal processing unit number of. Okay, so these are connected to various analog scanner and multiplier. Okay, this is connected to analog scanner and multiplier. Okay, so analog scanner or multiplier select any one input of a time. Okay, so this analog scanner select any one input at a time, one input at a time. Okay, this analog scanner. Okay, and by this analog signal is then converted into digital. Okay, so analog scanner we select particular one signal, that is like a multiplexing. Okay, so what happened in multiplexing, select one signal and select output signal depending upon the select line. Okay, so these types of any one signal is selected by analog scanner, and then is applied to analog to digital conversion. Okay, it applied to analog to digital conversion. Analog means sinusoidal signal is called as analog signal. Okay, and 0101 is called as a digital signal. Okay, so analog signal and converted analog signal into digital signal. Okay, so then digital signal, this signal and input from various sensor. Okay, this is the one other block, input from various sensor. Okay, this another block, this another block is also directly fed to data processing unit through digital signal scanner. Okay, this is the analog scanner, digital scanner. Okay, analog scanner sends analog signal, digital scanner sends digital input signal. Point clear? Analog signal select current, digital signal scanner, digital signal select current. सपोज इकडून जेवढे इनपुट असेल तेवढे. ओके, आणि त्याला आपण कंबाईन करू, दिस टू सिग्नल्स आर कंबाईन टू डेटा प्रोसेसिंग unit. Okay, this signal is combined to data processing unit. Okay, so actually what happen, the digital input from sensor or control system are directly applied to data processing unit through digital scanner. This point is clear. Okay. Then finally, digital data is either stored or transmitted in a data or display unit. Okay. So the last whatever the signal is sends or whatever signal is received for transmission, transmission, modification, or digital saving. So we finally this signal will be stored. Okay, we in last lecture we see that what is the importance of data acquisition system. Okay, data acquisition system means that it is used for the signal for storage analysis purpose. Okay, on the or if you want to display this signal, then the data acquisition system are used. Okay, so finally the signal is output signal will be display, and this display signal will be used to stored transmission analysis purpose. Okay, so this is called as multi data acquisition system. Okay, and for transmission of data we use rs485 communication or modem or wireless medium. Okay, or we use for small distance we also use Bluetooth. Okay, so Bluetooth, RS485, modem, wireless communication system. So this is the basic input mediums that is used for transmission of the signal. Okay, so this is the basic information of multi-channel data acquisition system. Single channel data acquisition system already studies. Okay, then we start what is the importance of next point is that what is importance of data acquisition system. Thank you. Draw this diagram. I give a time. SPU1, SPU2 analog scanner or multiply AD converter, the digital input, digital signal scanner, data processing unit, data transfer different unit. Okay, data transfer display unit, data transfer display unit. Thank you.